What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Go. I'm going on this side now? All right, going on this side now.
Just switch it up.
Oh my God, Candy.
All right, Dan.
Hey.
So, Dan's, so you want to start an OnlyFans?
Do I?
Yeah.
I guess I want to start an OnlyFans, guys.
Dan's fans for feet.
Oh, the feet thing. Yeah, that's
Yes.
right. You guys want to see my crinkled feet.
You have to pay extra for these feet shots, dude. My channel wants to see my feet so bad. It's ridiculous.
It is weird.
It is very weird. I don't get it.
Yeah. Dan's feet OnlyFans?
Only Dan's.
Yeah. So I think we've got your launch pad right here.
How is the helmet going to help me start my feet fans?
Well,
My feet finders.
Your feet finders? Well, you can at least, start advertising.
Tired of seeing normal feet? Subscribe to Only Dan's, the internet's most exclusive collection of Dan's absolutely wrecked toes. Twisted, questionable, unfortunately unforgettable.
So that people know that you've
Oh
got...
my gosh. Yo, if it wasn't, holy crap. If it didn't have OnlyFans on the side, this thing would rock so hard.
Oh, come on.
The color combo is fantastic.
Then you can, you put your little channel there.
Yeah.
Or account, or
whatever it
they
is,
call it.
I wouldn't know. Wow. It is, does it say, look at that, it does say OnlyFans on there.
Mm-hmm.
I guess they're sponsoring race teams now?
Yeah.
You gotta move tits somehow, bro.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, they weren't selling themselves.
Well, they had to do something with all that money they were making, so, might as well have a tax deduction of putting stickers on helmets and things.
Who is this race design for? Troy Lee Designs.
Well, it's from Troy Lee, but the racer itself, sorry, I don't know.
He's number
Somebody
8
knows.
though.
He's number 8.
Number 8.
Yeah, OnlyFans.
Nice, man. If you like...
Limited edition, yet again, one of the last ones we could find. They'll probably do another run because they sold out
if you like boobs and helmets and motorcycles, this is the helmet for you.
That's the helmet for you.
Only Dan's.
Only Dan's fans.
Feet finder.
For feet.
Yes. Why do you make me do this, Candy?
I don't know.
It's actually a very light helmet.
It is. The KYT has been super popular.
It's a good design.
We're very happy with it.
It's got a good
We
aero.
have people coming in for all the time.
What does this one run?
This one, they just handed it to me, so
Cool.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Unlike most OnlyFans models, we're going to put a sack on it. All right, that's so much better. It's a cool helmet. I like the helmet. I like the color.
You can see this and all of our other collectibles here at Wow Motorcycles. Oh, and we have more, but we have more. Because this is going to tell us who it is.
And if you send...
This guy.
Oh, he's got his own trading card?
He does.
Oh, man.
I bet you this is worth more than a Pokemon.
You think he's got his OnlyFans account? You think he's got one?
Possibly. Davey Todd, do you have an OnlyFans account?
Let's see that.
Oh. Oh my God. Every lap he rides, his legend grows.
Oh, man.
As well does his
ego.
One day we'll just have to do a completely unedited, no holds bar podcast and just let everything go.
You guys are going to edit this?
We're gonna, we have to, yeah. But maybe like a Patreon video where Dan says all those things.
Video.
Oh, for you, sure.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to see
Starts off
this.
with my crinkled ass feet.
Maybe Duncan. You and Duncan can have an OnlyFans.
Dude, you and me just playing in the sand with our toes.
Ooh.
I'd watch that.
You make your feet look like lotus feet.
Oh, they look like lotuses, all right. All like they've been hit with a lawnmower.
Nice. Awesome. All right. Well, what else are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Okay. Let's go find out.
Okay.
Let's go, shall we?
We're sorry for all the feet talk. Mostly sorry you're still listening. For more toe curling content, subscribe to Only Dan's.